What's going on, guys? It's Justin here with Summit Racing, back for another Toolbox Heroes video, where we show you the latest, greatest, and must-haves in garage technology to make your time in the garage just a little bit more enjoyable. And what we have for you today is this slick soldering station from ECG Products. Now, this is the ECG J-SSD-3 industrial soldering station. And you can never have a good enough soldering iron. You know, we've all used the old pen style, but there gets to a point where you need to upgrade yourself into something a little bit nicer when you're doing a ton of electrical work. And not only is this thing really nice, it's packed full of awesome features. So let's jump right in and check some of them out. Now, this thing is an 110 volt soldering station with a 75 watt soldering iron. And the nice part is it has a quick on-off switch on the side, so you don't have to worry about unplugging it all the time. So we're just going to flip that on, then you're able to see the rapid heat up of the iron. Now, it went right to 840 degrees, which we have our channel 1 set at. Now, one of the other cool features is it has quick temperature selection. So I have 2 set up right there at 392, which is the base temperature, and then channel 3 at 512. And as you can see, the iron temperature quickly dropping to 512. And one of the other cool features of this is the dial of temperature. You use the dial here to dial in your perfect temperature to whatever you're soldering. This thing will go all the way from 212 degrees all the way up to 896, so you can solder just about anything with this. Now, also has a couple other features like temperature adjust, sleep time, among other things. You can switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius with just the quick turn of a dial. Now, one of the other cool features of this iron is that the soldering iron itself is removable for quick, easy storage. Now, enough talking about this thing, let's get into it. And one of the cool parts about this soldering iron is it comes with this base and tip cleaner, and there's also tons of replacement parts and tips available for this iron as well. This thing is absolutely phenomenal, and this would make a great solder station for any garage at home. Now, make sure to like and subscribe to the Summit Racing YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any content like this or more. From vehicle builds, celebrity interviews, tool reviews, and so much more, there's always something cool going on the Summit Racing YouTube channel. So until next time, I'm Justin with Summit Racing, and thanks for watching.